Hello student, welcome to Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science Akola virtually. I belong to the Department of Chemistry and myself Kanchan Vishramji Kumbalkar, Assistant Professor. I am here to discuss some points of eco-textile and environment. I am going to discuss about the fourth unit, which include the topics that is testing facilities, government and private laboratories, testing methods, sources of contamination of harmful chemicals in textiles. So let's start. First lecture on unit 4th of eco textiles and environment. So today's topic is government and private laboratories. So let's start. Under this topic, there are 8 points has been discussed. There are various association or labs can be considered under this topic. First one is Ahmedabad Textile Industries Research Association, which is also considered as the ATIRA, that is ATIRA. Second one is Bombay Textile Research Association, that is BTRA. Third one is South India Textile Research Association, that is SITRA. Next, Northern India Textile Research Association, that is NITRA, NITRA. Next, Synthetic and Art Silk Mills Research Association, that is SASMIRA. Next, Man-Made Textile Research Association, that is MANTRA, that is MANTRA. Next one, Indian Jute Industries Research Association, that is IJIRA. And the last one, but not the least, that is Wool Research Association, that is WRA. So let's start with the first, that is ATIRA. ATIRA having long form, that is Ahmedabad Textile Industries Research Association. ATIRA, an association for textile research and allied industry in India, which was established on 13th December 1947. This is the logo of ATIRA, which is having a wording, that is Anusandhanat Samruddhi. The foundation stone for the ATIRA complex was laid by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on 1st November 1950, which was inaugurated by then Prime Minister of India Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on completion on April 10th, 1954. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai served as its first honorary director. ATIRA is situated close to many prominent research and educational institutions like Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, Physical Research Laboratories and Gujarat University. This is the address of ATIRA, that is Ambawadi Vistar, University Area, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So let's move toward the second association, that is BTRA, that is BATRA, that is Bombay Textile Research Association. The Bombay Textile Research Association, that is BTRA, was registered by members of Mill Owners Association, Bombay, under the Societies Registration Act 21 of 1860 on 21st April 1954, with 9 mills companies contributing to the memorandum an article of association. BTRA has grown leaps and bounds over the year since its inception in 1954 to meet the technological needs of the Indian textile industries as well as to achieve S&T objectives set at the national level. BATRA members include not only textile units, that is from mill sector as well as decentralized sector, but it also include manufacturers from man-made fibers, machinery, dyes and chemical auxiliaries industries. The Batra zone largely comprised composite mills, and from the beginning the R&D and services were fine-tuned to satisfy their comprehensive requirement. This is the address of Batra, which is placed in a Ghatkopar area of Mumbai. Now, the third is South India Textile Research Association, that is SITRA. This is the logo of SITRA. SITRA, the South India Textile Research Association, it has been established in the year of 1956, which is governed by Council of Administration consisting of members, representatives of industries, then government and scientists. SITRA is sponsored by the industry and is supported by Ministry of Textile, Government of India. Sprawling in a campus about 13.40 hectares, SITRA is within easy access of a large number of textile mills. With a floor space of about 15,000 square meter, SITRA houses its well-equipped testing, electronics and calibration laboratories, pilot mills, library, etc. SITRA has a full range of sophisticated textile testing instruments and modern machines and is one of the best equipped textile research organization in the world. This is the address, the SITRA placed in a Coimbatore. So next one is the NITRA, that is NITRA, means Northern India Textile Research Association. Northern India Textile Research Association, that is NITRA, which is certified with ISO 9001 2008, is one of the prime textile research institutes in the country. The textile industries and Ministry of Textiles, Government of India jointly established NITRA. So for the establishment there are two. First one is the textile industry and the Ministry of Textile, Government of India jointly established the NITRA in a year of 1974 for conducting applied scientific research and provide support services to Indian textile industries. The organization is situated at NCR Ghaziabad near National Capital New Delhi. It is spread over a huge lush green campus with a 50 acres area. Today, NITRA's prime activities include research and development, technical consultancy, quality evaluation of materials, manpower training and publishing technical books and papers. NITRA has been designated as Center of Excellence for Protective Textiles by the Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. It has expertise and technical capability for quality evaluation, product development, and knowledge dissemination in the field of protective textiles. It also has an incubation center to provide necessary facilities to the entrepreneurs for incubation of new ideas or technologies. The center was set up with the financial assistance from Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. NITRA in 2011 and 12 has opened its new academic wing, NITRA Technical Campus, from grants received from MOT under ISDS and also grant received from UP state government under ASIDE scheme for facilitating its various training program. The new campus offers more than 100 programs under Integrated Skill Development Scheme, that is ISDC, for skill development and skill upgradation of workers working in textile and apparel industry. Campus also offer BTech program in textile technology and computer science and engineering, and PGDM on fashion retail management, that is FRM, of youngster. This is the address, that is it is exists in a Ghaziabad near the New Delhi. Now next topic is a Sasmira, that is Synthetic and Art Silk Mills Research Association. This is the logo of Sasmira. The Synthetic and Art Silk Mills Research Association, that is Sasmira, established on 12th January 1950 under registration number 2505 of 1949-1950, granted under Society Act 21 of 1860, and is a cooperative venture set up by Man-Made Textile Industries of India after independence as a multifunctional institute to serve its scientific and technological needs. At that period, the pioneers of silk and art silk industry, composed of large number of small units with a rare foresight, muted to the proposal for creating a cooperative research organization. This proposal was supported by Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, that is CSIR, and other government agencies that culminated into establishment of Sasmira, earlier known as the Silk and Art Silk Mills Research Association. Sasmira entered into its golden jubilee in the year of 2000, coinciding with the new millennium. The landmark building of Sasmira at Worli is in the heart of the city of Mumbai. The imposing building, covering nearly 12,000 square meters of area, was conceived as far back as in 1950 and completed in 1958. Commencing with the testing of silk and art silk material, Sasmira has geared its activities since then to meet the changing needs of the man-made textiles industries, thereby fulfilling its objectives. This is the address of SASMIRA, that is the Synthetic and Art Silk Mills Research Association, that is SASMIRA, SASMIRA Marg, Worli, Mumbai. The next topics are Madmade Textile Research Association, Mantra. Next, Indian Jute Industrial Research Association, IJIRA. And last point, that is Wool Research Association, that is WRA. That has been discussed in a next lecture. Up till then, take care, be safe. Thank you.